You know, that sluggish, weighed down feeling that can stick with you all day, making it hard to focus and get things done. It's like your body is carrying around a heavy burden, and no matter how many salads you eat or workouts you do, you just can't seem to shake it off. But what if I told you there's a simple way to break free from that heaviness and wake up feeling refreshed and renewed? It's all about incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine. My friend, the gelatin trick is a total game changer. It's all about using gelatin to support your digestive health and help your body function at its best. When you use the gelatin trick, you're giving your body the tools it needs to process food efficiently, which can help you drop that heavy feeling and feel more like yourself. I've seen people who have struggled with weight loss for years finally start to see progress when they start using the gelatin trick, and it's amazing to see the confidence boost that comes with it. To learn more about how to use the gelatin trick to support your own weight loss journey, be sure to check out the link in my description below for a detailed guide. You can also find some helpful tips and tricks in the pinned comment. Just click on over and start exploring, and get ready to experience the freedom and energy that comes with using the gelatin trick.